Oh hey, didn't see you there. This is Mandy with another College Hacks video. Here are some tips and tricks to make dorm life a little easier. You know, as college students, we can't always afford all this fancy schmancy kitchen stuff, especially not in the dorm room. So if you're ever needing to clip up your open bag of chips, you just slide your pen right on there. Nifty. Everyone knows that you don't have as much space in a dorm as you'd like, so getting the most out of the space you do have is very, very important. Clothes can be the biggest hassle. To get the most use out of your closet, use a can tab to hang double the clothes. Need even more space for your shirts? Don't fret. If you fold them like this, you'll be able to fit even more shirts in your closet. Isn't that just fun? Roommates a little smelly? Take away that smell quick and easy by putting a dryer sheet over an AC unit or a fan. That smell will be gone in minutes. Thanks for joining me on another episode of College Hacks. Have a good one.